Good morning, children. Let us continue the chapter. Here the question is, regular production of food is necessary. Why? Food is required for us every day and daily. Every day and not only for us. For all the people in the country, the whole world require the food. So, there should be a proper, regular, systematic production of food in the field. Otherwise, there will be a shortage of food, people will die of food. So, there should be a regular, proper, continuous production of food. So, what is the question? Proper, regular production of food is necessary. Why? Because food is required for every one of us in the world every day. So, there is a necessity for proper production of, continuous production of food. Next one is, there should be, for production of food, we should follow some agricultural steps, some practices. The first important step is preparation of soil. What is the step? Preparation of soil. First step is preparation. What is the meaning of preparation? Soil should be plowed. With the help of plow one machine, one tool, with the help of that we have to loosen the soil. We have to plow the soil so that soil become loosened, soil become free, so that air can enter inside. So in the soil, many microorganisms, earthworm, all are living in the soil. So they would get enough air, so they will grow better way. What is the use of them? These microorganisms which are present in the soil, they decompose the dead matters or waste, household waste or plant waste, decompose. They decompose that matters and that change mix up with the soil. And the soil become good manure or soil become good in growth. It is a better for growth. Soil become rich in nutrients. Okay, it shows better growth. So the question is here, earthworms are called farmer's friend. Why earthworms are called farmer's friend? Because earthworms are living in the soil. If the earthworms are living, microorganisms are living, what they do? They decompose the dead matters or other organisms. So it enriches the soil. The soil becomes good in manure, good rich in fertility, nutrients. So it shows better growth of crops. So the earthworms are called farmer's friend. So here first step agricultural practice is preparation of soil. We have to plow the soil, we have to loosen the soil with the help of some tools, plow, isn't it? Here three steps are involved. First one is plowing, that is loosening the soil. Second step leveling. Third step manuring. What is plowing? I told you with the help of plow or any tool we can plow it. Second step, after plowing we have to level it. If there is not level, if the soil is uneven, when you go for irrigation, when you put water to the crops, the water will be stagnated in one place, the other area the water will not reach. So there is a necessary for, or there should be a need for leveling the soil. So leveling the soil is compulsory, so that they will reach all the nutrition, water can reach into all the places. The whole field can reach the water can be reached in the whole field. So leveling is compulsory. After plowing, leveling is compulsory. So that they will get water and nutrition, enough, all crops get enough nutrients. Third step is we have to add the manure or fertilizer to increase the fertility of the soil. Second step is showing. For showing the seed, two ways we can do the show the seed, spread the seed or spread the grains. Manually or by using seed drill. You can use this machine, seed drill machine, or with the hand only you can directly throw. That is called manually. Manually showing the seed is called the process of throwing the seed, spreading the seed or sowing the seed manually by farmer is called broadcasting. Okay, spreading the seed directly by the farmer is called manual process, that is called broadcasting. So two ways we can spread the seed or sow the seed manually or by using seed drill. For this, you got to select the good variety of seeds. How will you select good quality of seeds? Take some water in a vessel, add some seeds. After adding, some seeds floats, some seeds submerge. The seeds which float in the water, on the surface of the water, that seeds are rotten seed. They are not good for proper growth. That seeds we got to throw away. The seeds which are submerged, that seed can be used for sowing or used for growing the crops. So how do you select the crops? How do you select the good seed, good quality seeds? Take some water, add the seeds into the water. The seeds which is submerged are good quality. Seeds which are floating, that are bad quality. Don't use. Okay, this is the way we have to do for sowing the seeds. Okay, first one is preparation of soil. 3 steps included. We have to plow the soil, then level the soil, then add manure. Okay, and you add manure. The second step is sowing the seed. 2 ways we can sow the seed, spread the seed, manually or by seed drill. Manually throwing the seed is called, or manually sowing the seed is called broadcasting. Okay, thank you.